I'm going to be showing you how to craft healing potions in Verwyn's Meat. So crafting healing potions works very differently in Verwyn's Meat. So unlocking the potion crafting is very important. So you unlock healing potion crafting after completing the Legacy Healer's Calling quest, which is around level 13. So this lets you actually make health items from materials you gather or buy. After that, you can just craft medicine anytime from your inventory crafting menu. Make sure you do that, and all you need to do is open your craft menu. So you can only have that after you have passed level 13. So that's the important part here. If you've done that, you'll learn pretty easily how to heal. So make sure you're on level 13 and you'll automatically have the option to craft and brew medicine. So what you can craft is basic potion. You'll need herbs, meat scrap, and you'll get stamina cost. So make sure you have enough stamina. It takes around 4 per craft. So in this way you can successfully craft healing potions in Verwyn's Meat. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.